To create a Trust Wallet, start by downloading the Trust Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and click on Create a New Wallet. You will then be presented with the option to either import an existing wallet or create a new one. Choose Create a New Wallet and you will be asked to create a 6-digit security PIN. This PIN will be used to secure your wallet and protect your assets. After creating your PIN, you will be presented with a seed phrase, which is a list of 12 words that will be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is crucial to write down your seed phrase and store it in a safe and secure location, as losing your seed phrase can result in losing access to your wallet and assets. After you have written down your seed phrase, you will be asked to confirm it by selecting the words in the correct order. Once you have confirmed your seed phrase, your wallet will be created and you will be taken to the main screen of the app. From here, you can view your wallet address, which is used to receive cryptocurrency, and you can also view your transaction history. To ensure the security of your wallet, it is recommended that you enable two-factor authentication and keep your seed phrase and PIN in a safe and secure location. By following these steps, you can create a secure and reliable Trust Wallet to store and manage your cryptocurrency assets. It is also important to note that Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning that you have full control over your assets and private keys, and that the company behind the wallet does not have access to your funds. This provides an additional layer of security and peace of mind for users. In conclusion, creating a Trust Wallet is a straightforward process that requires attention to security and detail. By following the steps outlined above and taking the necessary precautions, you can create a secure and reliable wallet to store and manage your cryptocurrency assets.